Hi everyone, this is my unveiling of the April or May, depending on how you look at it, mystery design kit from Softflix. It's called Resort Chic there, and I bought this in early April, maybe end of March, early April. I bought it April 4th, and I showed it to you. I showed you when I bought these two strands, which are coordinating strands that you have to buy separately if you want them, or one or none. You don't have to get them. You don't have to get the kit each month. It's not a subscription. It is just play along, have fun making with their mystery design kits, and if something doesn't appeal to you in a certain month, you don't have to get it, you know. So play along when you want to, which is kind of nice. I love this. This is my Dahlia color that I love, kind of my logo color. Ooh, I see something I like right there already. All right, so let's open this up and see what we have. We get pink tourmaline beading wire, which is kind of funny because I actually just bought some, but that's okay because I'm sure I'll use a lot in this kit, and look, it goes really perfectly with those. Okay, and then let's dump this out. Softflix usually gives you some strands and some findings, which flew over here. So we get crimp tubes in sterling silver, and then this bag I always like to open, and I brought a staple remover thingy over instead of trying to do it and ruining my nails even further. Okay, I have bad nails. They chip and peel, so if you have solutions for that, let me know. Okay, so ooh, we have silver filled ear wires, just 2. We have a lobster clasp silver plated 12mm, and we have tiara cast silver plated sand dollar button. Ooh, it's a button. That's pretty nice. I like tiara cast products. They're quality cast products in my opinion. And 2 seahorses, silver plated seahorse charms. Then we have hot pink glass pearls. They look to be about 4mm. I'm going to actually write that on here because it's not written on here. So they're 4mm. And then we have 5x7mm matte periwinkle pearlized pip drops. We've gotten these before in turquoise, and honestly I haven't used them yet, but I want to use those other ones first. But these are periwinkle, is sort of a purpley blue. Very pretty. Oops. Put my pen down. And then light blue faceted fire polish beads, 4mm. They're almost like the clear version of that periwinkle. They're pretty too. And then dark blue faceted fire polish beads in 5mm. These are like a cobalt blue actually, and they're AB. They have some kind of finish on them. I'm sure that's AB finish. Okay, and then it says 2-inch silver tone ball and head pins, but I don't see them. Unless, no, they're not in with the crimps. I don't see the head pins. But we do have pink rubber tubing. That's interesting. Yeah, I actually think I have some tubing and I've never used it, so that might be a challenge for me. We shall see. And then not on the list is these seed beads, and they're in a clear or a clear AB, and I'm pretty sure they're part of a Houck and Chic seed beads, and they look to be, I don't know if they're 8-0, but they look to be a little bigger. They're bigger than 11-0. They might be 8-0 seed beads. Something like that. They're not 6-0. 6-0. They appear to be 8-0 clear seed beads. Okay, so maybe 10-0. I don't know. I don't know. So I'm missing the head pins, but that's all right. I don't know how many we were supposed to get. It just says 2-inch silver tone ball and head pins. And they are not included. So let's open this pack. Let me put these back away. Where'd that other little bag go? That's weird. They're usually very good about putting those things in. Anyway, we got everything else there, but those, maybe because they're not listed where the other things were. Okay, so let's get those out again so I don't tear this package up, and let's see what's in here. Now I know at the time I'm doing this, or airing this, Softflex will also be airing their own, and it's usually Sarah Ayler, and she usually makes something right away. I don't do that. You have to give me a little while. And I'm going to try and get better about doing it within a few days, maybe even just a day of, those are interesting. They're like, they're glass, but they have sparkle inside them. I don't know if you can see that. Like the deep ocean blue or something. Resort, right? These have a name. Are these called miracle beads? I think. I don't know that I've ever had any. Anyway, they're pretty cool. And then these are, I think, acrylic, and they're sparkly beads, and there's lots of them, and 2 of them are stuck together. And then we have some of these. I think they're glass, and there's 4 of those, and there's actually 4 of these big barrel beads too. I'll call them barrel beads. And I hope you're able to see all this. And we have 2 of the butterfly charms. Yay. Plus some seashells, or a seashell, 2 seashells, different ones. These are cute. We have a pair there. Oh, these are different. They're like diamonds, but they have little round ends. And we have a couple different kinds of spacers. We have these bumpy spacer beads, and then we have some bead caps that are nice size bead caps, and then we have some little ones. Sorry if I'm going too fast. I didn't show you these either. These have blue on one side and sort of a gray, milky gray on the other. I think we just had something similar, but they had a different color on the other side. This sort of has a dimple in it. Maybe that's just a, I don't know. Looks dimpled to me right there. Alright, we have a couple little silver tassels, which we've gotten before, and a few little purple beads. These are more little bead caps. And then, I don't know what these are called, like flat diamonds. And they're in like a pale lavender, periwinkle. And more of these greeny blacky teal things. More little purple beads, 6 of those. Good quantity of nicer size ones this time. Sometimes these kits, they're all teeny tiny. Now there are some small ones in here too. These are like top drilled leaf beads, and they're 2-tone. They're like a teal and a pink together. To me, like when the leaves are changing color a little bit. And then these are like I don't know what you call these. Bicone, oval, bicone cylinder bead. And they have some iridescence to them as well. I can't tell if they're glass or plastic. I can't, I think they're glass, but I'm not sure. And then we have some of these cat hairs. No, some of these. There's quite a few of these too. Let's see how many. 8 of these. These are like I'll call them drums because they're not really cube. They're faceted like drum beads or something. Mini drums. And that's another bead. So we have 4 large bead caps and it looks like 8 smaller ones. And these are, I don't know if they're acrylic or glass seed beads, like 6/0 type bead. That's a good variety there. Lots of pretty colors. And I don't know if these are metal or metallicized plastic. They're kind of lightweight for metal. Anyway, but that's okay sometimes. They are a wider, larger hole, so they would probably work on that tubing. Yeah, so we'll have to see what we can do with that. I have an idea for that, actually. Something different I have never used, so it'll force me to learn how to use that. Yeah, that's the kit for Resort Chic for the month of April, which will reveal our projects in May, or starting after April 28th anyway. And around that time, the next kit is available, and I'll see what it is. And if I think I like the colors, which you can sort of usually tell by the other strands that are available, I'll either get it or not get it. I've been kind of liking them. You know, they force you to do something different, maybe outside your comfort zone. But I do like most of the pieces in here. I mean, I'll be honest, I could do without these, although these little ones I don't mind as much as, you know, I'm not a big tassel person. I'm a chain tassel person, dangle person, but not so much like thread and all that kind of dangle. Maybe they're in though, I don't know. I do like the colors. I don't know that I'd use all these colors together. I love butterflies. I have some of them in a different Jesse James kit. In fact, I used one, a yellow one, on a yellow necklace not long ago. I think that was in my last Jewelry Making Fun collab. So if you missed that, that was all pale yellows or pale blues for people, and I did yellows. So go check that out. That was last month on the 18th. And let's see. I think that's it, everyone. So, you know, beading wire from Softflex in pink tourmaline, which is perfect for these colors. All right, everyone. Have a great day. I hope you enjoyed that. Please come back and watch whatever I put out, whenever I put it out. Help me grow the channel to 1,000 so I can do live streams. I do live streams on my other channel, but that's mostly paper crafting. So I'd love to do live streams with you as well. Can't do that on YouTube till we get to 1,000 subscribers. So help me get there. Share and tell people and all that good stuff. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.